Hello students, welcome back to Mathematics Text for Everyone. In this video we shall take more questions relating to expansion of determinant by using their properties. First question, prove that determinant 1a cube, 1b cube, 1c cube is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Proof left hand side determinant is 1a cube, 1b cube, 1c cube. Then operating on second row R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and on R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. We get left hand side is 1a cube, first row, second is 0, b minus a, b cube minus a cube, third 0, c minus a, c cube minus a cube. Then taking b minus a common from second row and c minus a common from third row. Taking common b minus a from second row R2 and c minus a from third row R3. So we get left hand side becomes b minus a into c minus a into determinant 1a cube first row, second row becomes 0, 1, b square plus a square plus ba, third 0, 1, c square plus c square plus ca. Because we know this, that c cube minus a cube is c minus a into c cube plus c square plus a square plus ca. Then expanding by first column C1, we have left hand side b minus a into c minus a into 1 into c 1 into this c square plus a square plus ca minus b square minus a square minus ba minus 0 plus 0 is equal to b minus a into c minus a into b square into c square minus b square plus a common into c minus b. C minus b is common, b minus a into c minus a into c minus b. Inside is c plus b plus a, which will give you, taking minus common from b minus a and c minus b, we are left with a minus b, b minus c, c minus a into a plus b plus c, which is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, as proved. Then we are taking the second question. Second question, in triangle ABC, if determinant first row 1, 1, 1, second row 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine B, 1 plus sine C, third row sin A plus sin square A, second sin B plus sin square B, then sin C plus sin square C is equal to 0, then prove that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Proof: we have determinant 1, 1, 1, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin B, 1 plus sin C, then sin A plus sin square A, sin B plus sin square B, sin C plus sin square C is equal to 0. Then operating on second row R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1 on left hand side, we get, which implies determinant when we operate R2 minus R1, we get first row is 1, 1, 1, second is sin A, sin B, sin C, sin A, sin B, sin C, third is sin A plus sin square A, sin B plus sin square B, sin C plus sin square C is equal to 0. Then operating on row R3 is equal to R3 minus R2, we get determinant first row 1, 1, 1, second is sin A, sin B, sin C, third is sin square A, sin square B, sin square C is equal to 0. Then operating on column C2 minus C1 and on C3 minus C1, we get first column is 1 sin A sin square A, second C2 minus C1 0, sin B minus sin A, sin square B minus sin square A, third C3 minus C1 0, sin C minus sin A, sin square C minus sin square A. Then we take common, taking common sin B minus sin A from second column C2 and sin C minus sin A from third column C3. So we get determinant, first column is 1 sin A sin square A, sorry, we get, when we take common, first of all, we get sin B minus sin A into sin C minus sin A into determinant. First column is 1 sin square A, second is 0, 1 sin B plus sin A Third 0, 1, sin C plus sin A is equal to 0. This also is equal to 0. Expanding by first row, expanding by row R1, first row, we get sin B minus sin A into sin C minus sin A into 1 into sin C plus sin A minus sin B minus sin A, minus 0 plus 0. This sin A cancelled. Therefore, either sin B minus sin A is equal to 0 or sin C minus sin A is equal to 0 or sin C minus sin B is equal to 0. This implies sin B is equal to sin A or sin C is equal to sin A or sin C is equal to sin B. This implies angle B is equal to angle A or angle C is equal to angle A or angle C is equal to angle B, which will give you side AC is equal to side BC or side AB is equal to side BC or side AB is equal to side AC. So since the two sides are equal, this implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions relating to expansion of determinant by using the properties of determinants. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Mathematics for Everyone. To see more videos, thank you. See you in the next video.